So you want a better result? You might need to ask a better question. Einstein was quoted as saying that if he had an hour to solve the world's biggest problem, that he'd spend the first 55 minutes working out what the best question was for him to ask to solve that problem. And it's such a powerful thing because if you're asking the right questions in your business, they are going to lead you much faster towards the results that you want. Let me give you an example. Have you ever said this? There are no candidates. I hear this a lot, this kind of catch cry from recruiters, recruitment agency owners saying, oh, there's just no candidates. Is that really true? No, it's not true. And although that was a statement, we're kind of saying, where are all the candidates? Well, what about a different question, a better question to ask yourself that instead, that's a really disempowering statement or question. How do you feel? Oh, there's no candidates. So it's deflating, right? So if we think about that a bit differently and think about asking some different questions, then you might feel a little bit more excited about finding where they are. So here's a couple of different questions by way of an example that you could use. Well, first up, you could start by thinking, we're in a multi-billion-dollar industry and I've got plenty of successful competitors, so there must be candidates out there. That's more of a belief thing. But now let's look at a bit closer to what the questions could be that you could ask. A first broader question could be, well, where are the candidates? Where are they? Are they on social media? Are they in your LinkedIn? Are you connected to them on LinkedIn? Are they sitting on somebody else's database? Where are they? Where am I seeing the current candidates that are sitting on our database? Where are they getting jobs? Maybe I should speak, would it help if I spoke to a few of those people to find out how they got the jobs that they've currently got or the jobs that they're going for? Are there different tools that we could trial to get a better result? So much tech out there now. Is that a potential solution? What are we doing now that's not working that we could either tweak or delete and replace? If you keep just making sweeping statements and sweeping questions, as I said before, it'll just make you depressed. And the same is true on the client side. Oh, there's no clients out there. Our clients don't want to work with us. Our competitors are doing things we can't compete. Well, they're beliefs. They're not really questions. But if you turn them into questions, they're things like, why are our competitors getting all the clients? Why can't we attract them? Why are we getting no clients? Well, start spinning that around and asking yourself questions like, who are the really good clients that we want to be working with? And then what's our strategy to go about getting those clients on board? What do we need to do? Where are they hanging out? Do we already know people working for those companies that we could approach and build relationships with them and try and get in that way? And what you'll find will happen is once you start asking yourself the right questions, your brain goes into solving mode. When we get asked a question, our brain automatically looks for the answer. So when you start to feed it good questions, it will start to spit out good ideas for you. The ideas are already here. You've got them. But asking the wrong questions will just muddy the waters and have you miss out. Something that might help you here is just being aware of when you are asking yourself the wrong questions or the wrong belief, the wrong statement. It's all kind of the same thing. If you've got a belief that there's no candidates or you're saying, why can't we get good candidates? It's all leading to the same thing. But if you start to switch that, if you start to identify when you're doing that and catch yourself and ask yourself what's a better question, you'll start to come up with better strategies and solutions to get back on track and getting the candidates and clients you want. And, it applies for every issue in your business. It's not just candidates and clients. It could be around tech. I don't know what to do around tech. Well, maybe the question is, well, where do I need to start? Who do I need to speak to? Who can help me out? I hope that helps you out. So what's one question you can ask in a better way in your business today that will start you moving in the right direction? Have fun with it. See ya.